guys, there's a game called Team Master. Oh, that's the one. There'll be the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Team Master, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So it's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you'll earn money. So you get the details right here. So to check my description, check out the link. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna do the sound test of this Yamaha heavy receiver. Well, this is another model and I just got it. It's a used one, not a new one, from my friend, and I have installed Bluetooth in this thing too. So today I'm gonna do the sound test of the Bluetooth with this thing, and in of course Dolby 5.1 mode. So let's do that. It's already connected to my mobile phone, and let me play one song. You can see that. So let's check the sound, and I'm gonna tell you how it is, because you cannot hear the proper 5.1 effect through the headphone or anything. So it's pretty good. I don't find any difference between the other connections like HDMI, audio input or anything, and the Bluetooth. It's a simple chip, the 30 rupees chip that I have shown you in other videos. I have mounted in many home theaters and receivers before. So it's the same chip, but the Bluetooth sound quality is same like the normal input mode. So I don't find any difference. Let's check it out. Here you can see the volume level is at minus 16, and this one goes to plus 16. This is at minus 16, and it's pretty loud, and all the speakers are working, left, center, right, surround left, surround right, and subwoofer all are working right there, and that's the subwoofer. Let me increase a bit. So let's check again.